Hello and welcome to this video. If you are looking for more information and indication of excellent electric scooters for reduced mobility, either for you, a friend or family member, today I will present you some models of Elderly Online, a company based in the United States specializing in the design and development of vehicles for the disabled and reduced mobility. Based in NY, Elderly Online aims to provide the best scooters for the aging population, the disabled community, and individuals with movement-inhibiting diseases such as arthritis. Nice to meet you. I'm Carolina, a representative of Elderly Online, and today I will introduce you all about this manufacturer, a leader in the electric scooter segment for mobility. Stay with me until the end of this video and learn every detail and be aware of 3 warnings that I'm going to give you. Stay tuned also to the different models that I will present and their characteristics. Many people still have doubts about the safety, practicality, and functionality of scooters, and today I will tell you that they do. Having one at your disposal generates a feeling of independence and autonomy that are essential to the well-being and quality of life of the elderly and people with reduced mobility, reintegrating them into society. In many cases, it even raises self-esteem and ends with depression, because leaving the house to see the street, feeling useful with the performance of basic daily functions such as the market, walking in the park, shopping, home to family and friends. This all cheers up people dependent on others to leave home. As we get older, the risks of falls and possible complications increase a lot. To prevent this from happening, there is support equipment, such as walkers. However, they only help the elderly for short distances, so for longer trips. The electric scooter offers much more comfort and safety, since the user doesn't have to walk. Just guide the equipment to where he or she wants to go. This prevents the chance of falls on the street or in sidewalk locations. In addition, another detail is the comfort during the trips. Elderly people who have difficulty sitting for long periods have the benefit of adjustable, anatomic seats and padded armrests. On the dashboard we find speedometer, headlight and battery level. The ride is totally smooth with suspension on the front and rear wheels. Life is good with Elderly Online. The electric scooter is super comfortable, with space between the seat and the handlebar to accommodate the rider's legs, and even has a basket for personal belongings or shopping. It is also very practical to store in small spaces in the house, to transport folded in the trunk and to be inside the elevator without any problem. Now that I have given you complete information about Elderly Online and their excellent models of electric scooters for reduced mobility, I will give you the 3 warnings that I promised at the beginning of the video. Alert number 1, don't be fooled by another quality standard. Elderly Online is a leader in the electric scooter category where warranty is a matter of liability. To make it easier for you, I am leaving the official website linked below in the description of this video. Alert number 2, Elderly Online provides superior customer service and offers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 7 customer support through email responses within 24 hours. Alert number 3, Elderly Online has rigorous testing and inspection to ensure its manufacturing quality to durable products with quality first. The production process has been strictly managed to ensure the reliability of the scooter while providing user-friendly control. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to receive more news about the new marijuana products on the market and their categories about health and wellness. Like and share this video so that YouTube continues to deliver greater wellness to those who have reduced mobility and want to live. A big hug and see you soon.